Hi, my name is joani.pemberton with Simply Vegas, and we're going to tour this Hillcrest model. It's 2,100 square feet. The lot size is 7,221 square feet. It is 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath, 3-car garage, and it's 1-story home. So we're going to take a look around. And I do want to point out that on both sides of the house, that we're on a corner lot, and they have a gate on both sides, and the lot is pretty much big enough to put a pool in. And the driveway is fully pavered. The 2-car garage is over here and it has access to the house. And then we have the 1-car garage on the left side, and it's pretty good for storage. So this is like an 8-foot door, very nice. Toll Brothers does a nice job. They have good quality buildings. And now we're going to take a look inside. So we walk in and they have this nice tile that is 32 by 8 inches wide. It's very tasteful. It's this really pretty cream color. Come in here, as you can see it a little bit better. Maybe we can see it this way. It's so pretty. As I said before, Toll Brothers has a nice job. Okay, we first came in. This is the entryway right here. To my right, when you first walk in the front door, and there's a front door, we have 2 bedrooms in the front of the house. They're both carpeted. We will start over here. There's the 2 bedrooms. There's going to be a bathroom on the left-hand side, but I'm going to start here in the closet. So we have I guess I'm going to call it a smart closet and a coat closet right here. And then we're moving on to secondary bedroom number 1. It's at the left side of the house. It's approximately 12 by 12. It has a window. This house is not yet furnished. This bedroom, all of the bedrooms are carpeted. This bedroom has a walk-in closet. If you need help with visualizing furniture, I'm going to list some furniture stores below, and it'll give you some good ideas about how to create some beautiful space, beautiful furniture in your space, and it'll turn everything into an elegant home, designer home. So we're in the secondary bedroom, number 2. It also has a window that is on the left side of the house if you're facing the house. Kind of mirror image. However, this has a wall closet and not a walk-in closet. Back into this little hallway, we have the bathroom. So the bathroom has this beautiful white cabinetry. It has this quartz countertop with an oval sink, undermounted sink. It's just beautiful. And we have a shower. It has a little Listello in the back of it. So it's little square tiles, I think 8 by 8 inches. There's this little Listello. And the bottom of the shower here is fiberglass. So this bathroom accommodates the 2 bedrooms that we just looked at. Secondary bedroom number 1 and 2, right there. And again, we're at the front of the house. So moving on down the entryway, we have a half bath over here. It has a pedestal sink, an oval mirror, and recessed lighting. Now we're in the kitchen, so first we're opening up the pantry. This has a cute little walk-in pantry. We have in the kitchen, this island is about 5 by 10. It is granite. It's really pretty. It has a apron undermounted sink that is stainless steel. And in the island, we have the dishwasher. Let me point out as well on the front of this island. This island is half waterfall style. So as you can see, the left half is waterfall style and the right half of the island is freestanding. In the countertop behind the sink, or behind the island, is the cooktop. Again, we have the same white cabinetry and the same countertop, granite countertop. It has a Kitchenaid 5-burner gas cooktop, and we have a beautiful Kitchenaid, very stylish hood. You can see that the top of the cabinetry has its own crown molding on both sides. We have lots of cabinet space. And then this cabinet tree over here, it's about 18 feet. It goes from the beginning of the laundry room to the end of where the dining room is. And in this part of the house, we have the microwave convection oven that is Kitchenaid, the regular oven. Also Kitchenaid. We don't have a refrigerator in this house yet, but again, you can see that the cabinetry is white and it has its own crown molding. It's tastefully done. And over here, we have this display cabinet. It's kind of obscured for your stuff, and it has the lighting underneath. Very pretty. So there's the kitchen. We're standing in the dining room. So this has a fireplace. We have in the backyard. So this is the entrance, the sliding glass door, double sliding glass door to the dining room. And this is the 3-panel sliding glass door that goes out to the backyard from the family room. I'm going to open this because we're going to go out here and I want to illustrate. This covered patio extends the master all the way to the end of the dining room. So I'm going to go to the end here to illustrate how long it is. It's fully covered. You can see the 3 sliding glass doors. And this house is facing west, so right now it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and this is the backyard. You can see there's probably enough room for a nice sized lap pool, that's for sure. And a little graded area, nice wall for privacy, I think. And this is on a corner lot, but it's fully private. Go to the end here where the master bedroom is, just to illustrate. And we're going to be looking into the sun, so I hope you can see. This is a nice space over here on the side of the house. The soft white and beige colors in this house is just exquisite. While I'm over here, we're going to go into the laundry room and out to the garage. So We walk into this little hallway. We have, again, cabinetry here. A window. There's a door that goes to the garage, just two-car garage. And over to my right there, we have a laundry room. The laundry room, again, has the same beautiful tile. We have an over-mounted sink, and we have some pretty quartz countertop. In the garage, it's a two-car garage again. It has these little windows on top of the garage door so we can see in without turning on a light. That's nice during the day. We have the tankless water heater over in the corner. And over to the side here we have the Rainbird or the control for the landscaping system. So there's the tankless water heater. We're going to go into the master. The master bedroom is at the back of the house. Oh, again, I'm going to check out this. Fireplace. The master is again at the back of the house. It's fully carpeted. This room is approximately 17 by 17. It has some clear story windows on the left side of the house. It has its own sliding glass door, again, that goes out to that lovely covered patio. Moving into the master bath, we have the water closet. This has a frameless shower. It has a bench. It has this interesting tile that's, I think, 10 by 20 tile. And on the bottom of the shower, it has this pretty intricately laid tile. Two shower heads and recessed lighting. We have two under-mounted sinks with quartz countertop. Again, we have the nice white cabinetry. And very pretty. Now moving into the walk-in closet. The tile in the bathroom is different from the tile of the rest of the house. It's about 10 by 20 tile. It's a little bit darker, gray tones, but nice walk-in closet nonetheless. Again, this house is about 2,100 square feet, but it's quality, nice quality. You can see the shot here of that kitchen and dining room combination and family room. Just a different perspective. Toll Brothers has excellent craftsmanship. So if you're looking for a quality home, this is it. So thank you for taking this tour of this Hillcrest model with me. And again, it's a one-story home. It is 2,100 square feet. It has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, a 3-car garage. It's in Inspirada. It's a brand new Toll Brothers home. It's ready to be purchased, and the price is $616,000. So if you're interested in this home or any of the homes in my video tours, or any homes actually that are for sale in Las Vegas or Henderson or Summerlin, you can contact me with my information below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any upcoming videos. Thanks.